and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making the dark and tropical. It has 2 ounces of Seedlip Spice 94, which is right here. Oh yes, and I've been taking over my dad's bar, slowly but surely, but shh, don't tell him. 1.5 ounces of guava nectar, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, and then you top it with ginger beer, which today we'll be using Q Tropical Ginger Beer. Now, alright, so ginger ale itself is completely non-alcoholic, while ginger beer has around 0.5% alcohol by volume, but it is still considered non-alcoholic because of how low the alcohol by volume is. So ginger ale is usually kept in glass bottles during the fermentation process, while ginger beer, if it was kept in glass bottles, would explode during the fermentation process. So if you find ginger beer in glass bottles, it would have to be transferred from whatever container it's in while the fermentation process is happening to those bottles, which is why you usually find it in cans instead. Now, back to the drink. So first you do and there's already ice in the cup as well. So first you do the 2 ounces of Seedlip Spice for 94. It's 94. Yes, it is 94. 2 ounces of this. Okay, put it back on my shelf. And you pour those 2 ounces in. And you do 1.5 ounces of guava nectar. 1.5, yes, 1.5, okay. Half ounce of lemon juice. Just half. Okay, well, that was quickly poured. Then you put that back. And then you pour in your 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then your 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. And then you take your spoon and stir it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. Tastes good so far, but we still need the ginger beer. And then you top with Q Tropical Ginger Beer, which is really good and yummy. Then you top it with that. And then you mix it all together, again in a circular motion, just to make sure that all your flavors get blended and mixed together. The best. Mixy. It's good. It's really good. Come on. Delicious. Very good. I hope that you enjoy your drink, and see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye! Hey, Daddy-o. Yeah. I love mint juleps. What goes into a mint julep aside from mint?
Well, you'd have to research that, huh? It's not my job. It's not my channel.
I said, with ice in here, you stir it. All right.
You ready?
Yes.
Check.
Yay, we're done.